Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trulia affiliate program for property referral commissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into the Trulia affiliate program, begin by accessing your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Trulia affiliate program and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button, and you will be directed to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check to ensure both your email and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. After entering your login credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. If your information is correct, you will be taken to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you can find tools and resources to help you manage your property referrals. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. For further assistance, consult the help section or contact Trulia support. Your affiliate dashboard will provide an overview of your commissions and referral traffic. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the available features. Now, you're all set to start earning commissions through property referrals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.